Hello? Okay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinner. And also this account that is walking and buying this, my account, my auto one, is my main. As you can see, I already have this saved inventory, but I'm going to show you first. You could choose any block, but it could be a strong. Just it has to be strong. The block has to be strong and fast, so the block won't break. Now, if you want to make it fast, you could use where is it? You could put 2 wheels on top, and yeah, but make it fast. I'll recommend putting 3, but mostly it doesn't work. Then next, you want to do this. I know I ran out of diamond blocks, but quarters second good block here, cause whatever it's called. It's the second best block this time. So that's stone and metal, but just they're not really that good. Now metal on the other hand is pretty good, but yeah. Now I should show my screen, my tablet on my screen that my main account is building. As you can see, my main account built 30 if you want to, but I recommend doing 2 if you want, but you want to make it as fast as possible, so you technically want to. Now my main account is gonna make it fast, but I have another one. This one I don't really care about because I already have one, but this one is just to show you how to build it. Next, just gonna hold up, and then my main just deleted this so we could stand under it. Then I'm gonna bring my account over here. Then we're gonna start the round. Skip intermission. As you can see, it's already. Now I recommend not adding the main if you're a kid, because I think some games are killing. So get that out, but I don't care. But I recommend not to really add my account unless you like shooting games or something like that. But not unless you're like 5 or 6 years old. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how you